Do you know that nowadays in most of the companies, the resumes are being shortlisted by an AI? Then why not let's play smartly and let's create a resume using a revolutionary AI? So I'm here talking about ChatGPT, that in this video we will be learning about how we can create a resume using ChatGPT. So hello everyone and a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain and we will be talking about that how this AI is shortlisting our resumes first of all. So what happens is basically that companies don't want to waste a lot of time in shortlisting your resume. That's why they have different tools which will find the keywords that they are looking for. So when they post any job description on the LinkedIn or different websites, they are looking for those keywords in your resume, and you need to make sure that you are creating a different resume for every job you are applying for. Now, I know it is a tedious task for creating different resumes for different job positions, but an amazing AI over here is ready to help us. All we need to do is give it a small prompt and it will create a resume template for us, which we can mold as the way we want. Also, if you want to become a successful data analyst and you want to learn from our industrial experts, then you may call on the number given below, or you can also click on the link given in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So let's get started, guys. So what I can do over here is, as you can see, we will be using ChatGPT over here. So I'm going to go on LinkedIn, and here I have a job post for a data analyst, and here are job responsibilities and job requirements mentioned over here. Now, all you need to do is simply copy the job requirements. You can go for both of them, that these are the job responsibilities, these are the job requirements, and according to this, build your resume. Now, the most important thing over here would be that how you will be writing a prompt over here. So, you will be starting it with very simple. Don't confuse ChatGPT. Don't put a lot of information as well. You can just start things simply. You can start with a simple one thing that I want to create a resume with a job title of data analyst and given below. So the first thing we are copying over here are the job responsibilities. Job responsibilities. And the other thing is the job requirements. So shift enter, and first of all we will be pasting our job responsibilities over here. These are the job responsibilities and these are our job requirements. So let's remove this extra space from here and make sure that you know all these skills which are mentioned over here. If there are some extra skills which you don't know, do not mention them in your resume. So do not put any extra skill which ChatGPT is suggesting you until and unless you don't know about it. So here in the skills we have SQL, data architecture, Python, and communication. So these are the skills which they are asking for. Also make sure that if you are a working experience, what has been your previous professional experience, or if you are a fresher, just mention over here, I am a fresher, but I have worked on many projects. So why I'm writing this is because, as you can see, it has created a template for us. Not template exactly, but what we need to enter in our resume. So we have our name and email, phone, LinkedIn, fine. We have a summary which is very concise and precise. Okay. And we have work experience over here, which we don't have as a fresher, let's say. Okay, the education is mentioned over here. The skills are here. And the professional development projects, references. Let's say that I am a fresher but have worked on many projects. So let's press enter on this. So resume, again, it's creating a resume but for a fresher. Okay, the summary is the same thing. The education is again the same. The projects are here. You can also mention different things, that if you do not have any degree in the relevant field, just mention it to ChatGPT and it will generate it accordingly. So it won't keep the right now it's keeping the education on priority. As you can see, previously in the previous resume, the education was below work experience, but now the education is above your project. Why? Because it's thinking that you have the degree in the very relevant field. So if you have a degree in different fields, let's say you have a background of arts, commerce, or if you even have a background in BCMCA, which is not very relevant to analytics job, then what you can do is you can just tell it that you do not have a degree in the relevant field, and it will adjust your education accordingly. Now we have projects over here. In the projects, it has mentioned the name of the projects by itself. What you can also do is you can tell them that on what project you have worked and what you have analyzed through that project, what all tools you have used, how many data you have used. So you can tell it that, let's say I have created a project which is based on Diwali sales, and I have used MySQL and Power BI for analyzing and visualizing the data. Also, you can mention that how many rows of data you have used. So I have worked on more than 10 lakh rows of data for this project. You have cleaned it, you have transformed it, everything you can mention over here, and it will create a good project for you with bullet points as well. So you can, over here you can mention, add this to my project and make bullet points as well. Let's press enter. Let's see. So in the projects, it has created Diwali sales analysis, and it has created some bullet points. Now these are many bullet points. You can shortlist it, and or you can also make it in this way. You can say you can ask it to make only 5 bullet points. So here we have 5 very concise and precise bullet points. So you can replace, it has also given us that you can replace the duration of the project with the actual duration of your project. These bullet points provide a concise overview of your project, highlighting the key skills and accomplishment related to the data analysis, SQL and Power BI. So this is how you can create a little template kind of a thing, or little structure for your different projects that you have worked on. And now, like, what is left over here is very simple thing, that now you just have to copy this data, and whatever template you want to use, if you want to use Canva for this, if you want to use Word for this, you can use different templates, or there are many different websites which build resumes for you. So you can use those websites as well. But what I'll remind you over here is that create a resume based on the job description provided by the company you are looking for a job in. So if you're looking for, now this is another company, and if you're looking for some other company, let's say I'm looking for data analyst VP. So there is this another company over here, and let's see what are they asking for. What you will do here, we have like responsibilities or how your day-to-day will look like. And the skills, they have only mentioned that you should know data analysis in a technology or IT function. We are also looking for in-depth understanding of interrelationships and data in multiple domains. Okay. And we are also looking for excellent communication and interpersonal skills. So they are mostly focusing on good communication and interpersonal skills as well. So every resume changes with the job description. Some people are looking for your technical skills, some are looking for your technical skills as well as your soft skills, such as you should have good communication, you should be fluent in English. So you need to mold your resume according to that, because these AI will detect keywords from your resume which are related to the job description that they have provided on any portal where they have posted a job. So what I will recommend is that whenever you are applying for any job, just simply copy the resume, paste it on ChatGPT, give a small prompt over there, make some changes and apply with that resume. So in that case, if the AI is detecting the resume, if the AI are shortlisting the resume, there are higher chances that your resume will be selected. It has been tested. This is not some method that I'm telling verbally like that, but it has been tested. So a lot of students have tested this thing and they have got results out of this. So that's why I will recommend using ChatGPT to create your resume, and this is how you can do it. So I hope guys that after this video it is clear that how you can build a resume for different job posts using just job description and a very small prompt. I hope you like this video, and for more such content, follow our channel WsCube Tech. Thank you.